So over the weekend, I did some research. I read this I guess it was technically an article, but it was more of a blog post where this guy was advising on how to find multi-baggers, and he had this list that he was looking for. You're looking for a certain PE ratio and a certain all this kind of stuff. And I was just curious as how much the market had changed over the last couple of years. So I went through and I pulled out all of the data for the last year, the last 365 days, last 250 days, trading days or whatever. And I looked at both long and short, and I wanted to find out what the criteria were for stocks that had moved more than 100%. So you're looking for 2x plus multiples. And I don't think I found anything new here, and nothing that I found actually supports what this guy's conclusions were, but I figured I'd go through it. So first off, if you're looking for a multi-bagger, you're looking for a company that has basically no float. I mean, there's one example up here that's NVIDIA. And of the stocks that are the blue chip stocks, the mega cap stocks, there's one thing that's universal about all of them is they all have share buybacks. And one of the largest returns was actually on the short side. You actually would have made more money shorting Mobileye from the peak than you would have investing in any of the other ones. And when you break it down, the biggest return actually for the year was a warrant. It was for, it's actually not on the chart. I can't remember what it was called, but there was a warrant that paid out like 1,000% last year. And the other biggest one was SS&T. And SS&T was a completely dead stock that merged. So the reason why this paid out was because it merged and became QXO. So if you're looking for multi-baggers, you're basically looking for a stock that has absolutely no float. That's kind of obvious. You're looking for a stock that is not financially healthy. I mean, these stocks have debt to equity ratios that are not really great. And you're looking for a stock that has no earnings. That's basically what it comes down to. So essentially, you're looking for micro caps that can be manipulated by the investment bank or a hedge fund or front run. That's pretty much what you're looking for. So if you're trying to invest in a company expecting revenue growth to cause the stock to go up 100% in a year, you're looking at a really, really small bucket. And you want to stick to stocks that are going to have some theme to them, and most importantly, have share buybacks. So the last theme of the last 2 years was, of course, related to AI. So those are the only stocks that went up in terms of multi-baggers. But all right, talk to you guys later.